This video is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice.
And refresh again. Boom. Wobble. That's nice. I like it. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maxworth. Today, I researched a lot of information about how to claim USDT, all information about staking USDT, and results may vary and a lot of risky. But I found something interesting, and I want to show you. So what we need to do, open this, and start. Okay. Open, launch. Okay. Next step. Yeah, we need to copy this data and paste it here. And this. Okay. This one. And right. Okay. And yeah, I need to use this one. And get. So, pinning we're ready. We're ready. So, like use USDT. And let's go. I need just repeat and follow the instructions. And yes. Do you see this? Let's repeat. Okay, delete it here. And here. And yes, it works. Next. Yeah, but it has some needs. What I to do? I take this one. It's my own feature. And yes, I have another one. But only one. Continue. So, let's go. Oh, nice picture, yeah? Yeah. Okay, guys, I feel confident and I think I'm ready for this car. Let's go do this. Choose this, copy. And go here. And paste. It's included. Open. Let's come back and check it. It should work. Let's love the page. Okay, this is here and we can continue. So, let's go. Yeah. I'd have a good feeling. Yeah. And the next one. Let's go. Let's be here. And yeah. Embrace. Lesabel next. And place it here. And yeah. Oh, that's nice. Let's the last job. That is same for today, and yep, it works. So let's show you the best part of this process. Here, I feel here. I do need some information from this. Yes. Okay, copy. And paste. And confirm. So, all clear. Let's check it. And the best part is here. Let's refresh the page. And refresh again. Boom. Wobble. That's nice. Yeah, I like it. Thank you all and goodbye.